So we've completed the install on the Caravan. So as you can see, we've got one on the front, one covering what is where our barbecue goes, and then we've got the one under the awning that's going to do all the fresco. So if we go inside the van now, now here's the cameras on our little TV inside, and what we did was we've got the recorder in here. So this is just running on 240 volts, and we've just shared, this is just VGA off the back of the recorder into the television. Now from here we can open this cupboard, we can grab the mouse, and we've got, for example, this one camera on the front. Now we haven't even adjusted these cameras yet, so they can come down, but we've got what we feel is a full 270 degree coverage here. Very happy with it.